Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change name on Likee. First of all, launch open Likee application. You can see over here Likee application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the name, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see your profile information over here. So if you want to change your name, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the edit option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to edit your profile informations like name, ID, bio, birth, etc. In order to change the name, tap on the field of name. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to change your name. You can see your initial name over here. So what you have to do is erase it. Now enter the new name over here. After you do that, tap on this option, confirm, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, the name has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the name. So that is how you change name on Likee. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.